I don't usually do a unboxing or instruction videos, but I searched the internet on YouTube and I found one video, and I'm sorry, the guy was completely wrong about what he was doing. So this is it, the Byakov, I don't know what it's called, Byakov dashcam. I'm not going to unbox it, that's the box it came in. But what I did want to show, that in the video, he was having problems and he was wrong about a few things. Number one, the SD card, that it does not come with the camera, you have to supply it yourself. But it does click in and out, as you can see. You have to use your fingernail or maybe a small screwdriver if you don't have long enough nails to push it in. Yep. He says it will go in and stay. See, there we are. It's in a state. And as you could hear, I just turned it on and off. There's another problem. Camera slides off of the mount like that. So that little triangle goes in that little slot there. But the problem he had, he couldn't get it to stick to his windshield. And I don't understand why. I think he didn't move this clip down. This clip that's right here. All you gotta do is push it down. I don't know if he was not pushing the clip down on his windshield. The one thing that bothered me when I first unboxed it, though, when and to release it, you just pop that switch up. They put that little tab there because sometimes after it's been there a while, you might have to loosen it up with that little tab. It's just a suction cup. You can see how it pulls in because of the suction. When I opened it, I was pretty concerned about, this is all the throw you've got for the camera. See, and if you hold it like that, there is no way that's just going to point at your dashboard. Well, what I didn't realize was that the windshield is actually at an angle like this. So if I hold it at the angle of the windshield, so you have plenty of room to adjust this straight, even down. I noticed when I used it, I'll include a short clip of what I did. I had plenty of room to adjust it side to side or up and down. It worked fine. You could also, like if it was hanging on the windshield, turn it around towards you. I don't know, say like a policeman comes up to your door, you can record that. But it just tightens up right here with this little nut, and it'll lock you in place really well. I like the quality. It does 1080p, and it's only 20 frames a second, but it does pretty good. I'll include a 30-45 second clip at the end of this. Give me a hard time. This is my first time I've done instruction videos. You probably couldn't tell that, huh? Because I have become such an expert after once. And again, it does not come with the SD card in it. Right there. But he was pushing like this, and I don't know why he didn't think to just put his fingernail in there and, you know, pop that baby out like that. It's a little cumbersome. If you don't have fingernails, you'd have to use maybe a little tool. Plus, when you first get it, you're probably gonna have to charge it up. Here, let me change the direction of that, and I'll show you what it looks like when it boots up here. There we go. It is upside down, by the way, but it's got a really, really small LCD. I think might be inch by inch if you're lucky. It's recording right now. Actually, you can see a little red dot there blinking. once it's on, you can just hit that power button once and it stops recording. But yeah, don't forget to take off this little protective thing. I haven't, because I've been moving it around a lot, and I thought, well, I'd rather scratch that first and then I'll take it off before I scratch the lens. So I just thought, if anybody else bought this and had a problem with like he did, maybe I could help it out. Thanks for watching.